Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to mathematics, and we are solving a very recent paper for A-level CIEs, Pure Maths 1, paper code 9709, variant 12, February March 2026. Let's begin with question number 1. The equation of a curve is y is equals to x cube minus 3x square plus 9. Find the coordinates of the stationary points of the curve and determine their nature. So whenever we need to find the coordinates of the stationary point, what we do is putting the first derivative equals to 0. This will give you the x coordinate of the stationary point, and then we will be substituting that x coordinate in the original equation to get the y coordinate. Okay, and when we need to find determine the nature, what we do, we differentiate it again, and if the second derivative d square y over dx square is greater than 0, it's minimum, and if it is less than 0, then it's a maximum. The nature is maximum. So this is all about how to find the nature of any stationary point. So let's begin doing this. This is all of the question. I have give you the hint. Now let's actually start solving it. Differentiating your original equation, x cube minus 3x square plus 9. So the derivative of x cube is 3x square, using the power rule that says derivative of x to the power n is power times the variable to the power n minus 1. Similarly, the derivative of x square would be 2x, the constant will be as it is multiplied, and the derivative of a constant is 0. So we are left with 3x square minus 6x. Now we need to put this first derivative equals to 0. So rewriting it, taking 3x common, we are left with x minus 2 equals 0. This implies either 3x is equals to 0 or x minus 2 equals to 0. So that gives you either x equals to 0 or x is equals to 2. As you can see, it's a cubic equation, so it can have more than one stationary point. The shape of the curve will be like this. So this is you have one maximum and one minimum. Also they are saying it here, find the coordinates of the stationary point. So it means they are multiple. So we get 2x coordinates, substituting it in y equation to get y corresponding y coordinates as well. Y equals x cube minus 3x square plus 9, y equals to x cube minus 3x square plus 9 equals to 9, and 8. (17 minus 12 is 5. So the two coordinates that we get is when x is 0, y is 9, and when x is 2, y is 5. So these are the 2 points, stationary points. Now we have to check which one is maximum and which one is minimum. For that, we first need to differentiate this again, the first derivative. Okay, now taking this first derivative and differentiating it again, this is your first derivative expression. Six x minus 6. Now checking this second derivative for both points, 6x minus 6 for 0, 9. So it gives you 6 times 0 minus 6, that gives you minus 6. As it is less than 0, so we are having a relative maximum at 0, 9. Then we are taking the second point 2, 5 and checking the second derivative on that. So that gives you a positive 6, that is greater than 0. That means we are having a relative minimum at 2, 5. So hence we also have found the coordinates of the stationary point and their nature as well. So this is all about question number 1 of paper 9709, variant 12, February March 2026. Thank you.